Today, I built a batch job scheduler designed specifically for the distributed world. Let's take a look at how it works. Starting with the main operations dashboard, you get an immediate high-level overview of your batch ecosystem. You can track running jobs, held tasks, active failures, and overall success metrics. The central activity chart lets you monitor 24-hour job health at a glance. Moving over to the Jobs tab, you'll find all your batch job definitions. Selecting an individual job, like Demo Python, reveals its configuration details, upcoming execution times, and recent run history. Clicking into a specific run opens up full execution logs instantly for quick troubleshooting. Within each job view, you can manage dedicated run histories, timing schedules, and upstream dependency rules. Setting up predecessor job constraints ensures complex workflows trigger only when prerequisite tasks succeed. Next, the Schedules tab offers a visual calendar layout. This gives you a clear timeline of all planned job executions and automated triggers across the entire month. For complex pipelines, the Dependency Map maps out complete DAG workflows, showing how tasks interlink and identifying potential bottlenecks visually. The activity log streams real-time execution statuses across all system triggers, letting you track manual overrides, scheduled executions, and real-time task durations. The Calendar section allows you to define custom workdays, recurring holidays, and localized time zones, or create new calendar profiles on the fly to fit business hours. Finally, the Audit log maintains an immutable trace of every system action, user update, and executor event across the platform for full transparency. And that is JoQ, a fast, reliable, and scalable batch job scheduler built for modern distributed infrastructure. JoQ is not a joke.